Yo, what's going on, my YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I want to teach you how you can start earning money online simply by just watching videos on the internet. You guys, we're talking about fun, entertaining videos. If that sounds appealing to you and you want to start making money online just watching videos, you're going to want to watch this entire video all the way through. Make sure that you have a pen and paper handy. Take some notes so that you can write this stuff down and you can start literally making money online just for watching some very simple videos. And even if you don't want to watch these videos, you guys, you can let these videos just play in the background and earn money that way. Go about your daily life, whatever it is that you're doing, have that browser window open, and then you can be playing those videos in the background, earning money, and still doing what you would normally do every single day anyways. This is a great opportunity if you're someone that doesn't like taking surveys or playing games online. You can simply have these videos just playing and make money online. Very, very, very easy to do. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, who's ready to start making some money online right now? Let me know down in the comments. Even if you just type make money online, free PayPal cash, make sure that you smash that like button also as well. If you find any valuable content in this video at all while you're watching this, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel as well. Hit the bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet, and you are not going to want to miss any of those. So as promised, we're going to be talking about 6 different websites today that you can literally log into, create your free account, and start making free PayPal cash literally for just watching videos. We're going to be doing a very high level view of these different websites. I don't want to get too much into the details of them. I just want to get out there what is legitimate and how you can start earning cash literally for just having videos playing in the background. Even if you don't want to watch these, I'm sure a lot of people right now actually have some time and maybe cooped up in their homes, due to the quarantine and this terrible epidemic that is going on right now. But if you find yourself with some extra time and you just want to play some videos and make some extra cash, this is a great way to actually do that. All right, so let's go ahead and kick this off. Now, coming in at the number 6 spot, we have YouCubes, and you can get here by typing YouCubes.com up into your web browser and pressing enter. It will bring you directly to the page that we are looking at right now. Now, when you arrive at this web page right here, what I want to point out first and foremost is that this is 100% free, and actually all of the websites that we're going to be talking about today are 100% free. You do not have to pay anything to get signed up, and a few of them actually pay you just to get signed up. I believe anywhere from $5 to $10 just for signing up, you guys. So a great way to put some extra bucks in your pocket just for signing up for these different websites. Very, very simple to do. So to get signed up on YouCubes, you can do it right here in the middle. You can click up right here in the top. Couple of things I want to point out on this website, obviously, is that you can get paid for watching videos. Now, YouCubes doesn't have the best videos. They're not the most entertaining videos, but I wanted to incorporate this website because I wanted to get as much information out there to you and provide as much variety as possible. So sign up with these guys, you guys. They're 100% legit. They sent out over 20,000 different payments. They have different opportunities on this website as well. When we come down here to the bottom, you can get paid for viewing ads, viewing websites, and exploring the internet. You can get paid for referring this out to your friends, get up to 15% commission for referring this stuff out to your friends as well. They even have paid surveys, so if you find that you're a survey person as well, you can do that as well. Just wanted to point those out. These guys pay out in PayPal cash, you guys. Every single one of the websites that we're going to be talking about today have the ability to pay you via PayPal. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a legitimate PayPal account established. That way you can collect all the money that you've made. So moving on here, the next website that I want to point out to you is called Fusion Cash, and you can get here by typing fusioncash.net in your web browser. And once you do that, it's going to bring you directly to this page that you're seeing right now. Now, when you arrive here, what you're going to notice is first and foremost that I like is that, like I was saying earlier, they're going to be paying you just to sign up. These guys pay you $5, a $5 sign up bonus just to sign up. There are some requirements for that. You have to confirm your email address and complete a brief survey. And once you've done that, you're going to make your first $5 online just for getting started and signing up. Now, what you'll notice once you're signed up is is that these guys have a variety of different tasks as well that you can complete, but one of them is actually watching videos. And you'll get there once you're signed up and logged in. You can click on the videos right here. It will show you all the different videos and how much they pay to watch them. And you can get paid for watching videos. These guys also have different small tasks that you can complete. They have mobile apps that you can download and games that you can play as well. And you can also refer this one out to friends as well. These guys are 100% legit, you guys. They've been around since 2005 now, and they're paying PayPal cash out to people that want to watch videos and complete these different tasks. Now, moving on to our number 4 spot, we have this website right here called Razoo. If that's how you pronounce it, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to pronounce this. It could be Razoo. Your guess is as good as mine. But what you'll notice when you arrive at this page right here is that you can get paid for doing similar stuff here. You can be downloading apps, you can be watching videos, and that's what we're going to be doing, right? That's what this video is all about. So you can get paid for watching entertaining videos and earn easy points. And these guys, like I said, they pay out in PayPal cash when you go to actually cash this out. A couple other things I wanted to point out here on this website before we leave here is these guys have been seen on Yahoo, CNN, and the Wall Street Journal, you guys. So again, very reputable. Absolutely love these guys. And then they break down how this works in the bottom, and it's basically just what we've been talking about. You're going to be watching some short films, and these short films have to do with like new advertisements, app trailers for different apps, cooking tutorials. So if you want to learn how to cook and get paid to actually learn how to cook and watch cooking tutorials, this is another great way. You can watch movie reviews and much more. Anything you watch on Razoo earns you points. All these points, you guys, you can turn those points into PayPal cash. Right there in the bottom, it states that. So get signed up with these guys. Absolutely love them. Moving on to the next one right here, we have Quick Rewards. Now, these guys don't have the most visually stimulating website right here, but these guys are legitimate, and I have tested them out. These guys are only available in the US and Canada and the UK, so I'm sorry, this one is not worldwide on this website right here. But as you can see, we're focusing on videos. You can be watching videos, and these guys pay out in PayPal cash. And just like the other websites as well, these guys have different opportunities. You can do surveys, you can do some shopping on here. They have offers, and you can also be playing games if you like any of these other things as well. Don't miss those, because these are all legitimate opportunities to earn some extra PayPal cash. And if you don't want PayPal cash, these guys are paying out in Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Olive Garden, all kinds of really cool gift cards down there as well. Now, moving on to our number 2 spot, I have to put Swagbucks in here because I just absolutely love these guys. They're legitimate. I know everyone probably already knows about them, but these guys will pay you literally to watch videos as well. And I also wanted to point out up here at the top that they're free to join, just like I've been saying through this entire video. And you can get a $10 bonus literally for just signing up with Swagbucks. So you might as well collect your $10. You can get signed up through your Facebook account. If you have a Facebook account, it makes it very easy to do. Literally just sign into your Facebook account and get signed up that way. But for the purpose of this video, what we're talking about was watching videos, you guys. So you can see right here, you can shop online, watch entertaining videos, and these guys really do have some very entertaining videos. I like the stuff that they have. It keeps me very well entertained, and it's a great way to earn some extra money. You can also search the web, you can answer surveys, and find great deals on here as well. They have Walmart gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and they're paying out in PayPal. And as you can see right here, this number is astonishing. They've paid their members over $415,387,818. So that's a lot of money. And I always like this little quote right here that they have that Kim put here, that her most rewarding moment with Swagbucks was being able to use her gift cards that she earned to buy gifts for her children for Christmas and their February birthday. That's really cool. All right, you guys, and as promised, I've saved the best for last. Coming in at our number 1 spot right here, we have Inbox Dollars. You can get here by typing inboxdollars.com into your web browser. Press enter. It's going to bring you to this page that we're looking at right now. And as you can see, you can get paid you can get paid to make money literally for watching videos and watching sponsored content on this channel right here. These guys pay you $5 just to get signed up. You might as well claim your free $5. They've paid out over $59 million in cash to their members already. They've been featured in Forbes. They have some quotes down here from some of their users. Lee right here says, take some surveys, watch some videos, play some games, and best of all, get paid for it. Nicole says, they have the best games and best surveys, the best apps to play. And I would agree. Inbox Dollars does have a a lot of the best stuff going on right here in terms of games and apps. Coming down here, they just go into a little bit more detail as to how this works. And, you know, I want to point this out here as well. Inbox Dollars is the #1 site for anyone looking to earn some extra money, watching videos and taking surveys and doing some other online activities. And again, I cannot agree more, you guys. These guys literally are #1. Come check them out. Literally, you get signed up for free. They're paying you $5 right now just to get signed up. You confirm your email address, and then you collect that extra $5 literally after you've confirmed that you've given a legitimate email address by clicking on that link that they send you in your email. And then you're gonna make money by filling out surveys, completing polls, doing research activities, watching videos, and get paid in PayPal cash, gift cards, or literally get paid out in cash. They go into a little bit more detail if you want to actually come down the page here and check this out when you come to their website. But they tell you, why you would get paid to watch videos and why you should be using Inbox Dollars. A little bit more on how to get started. Some of the stuff that you can be watching here is trending news. You can be watching channels about technology, celebrity gossip, food, entertainment, health. So they have a variety of different things here that you can be watching. Each day there are typically 24 to 30 videos or more available within each category. So they have a big variety of different things that you can be watching every single day, earning more and more money. They break down exactly how much money you can be getting paid right there. So there you have it, you guys. That's 6 different websites that you can use today to go out there and start earning cash literally just for signing up to some of those websites. Get started watching some videos right now, but you have some downtime, maybe you're bored. It's a great way to, work that side hustle and make some extra cash. But like I said, this won't make you rich right here just watching these videos. It's just some extra money on the side. Now, if you want to do what I'm doing online, if you want to grow an online business, if you've ever thought about that and you've wondered how you could do it and you just want something legitimate that you can depend on, someone that will take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to do, a step-by-step process of how you can grow an online business, you guys. And I'm talking about passive income, you guys. I'm talking about a job literally where you can work from anywhere in the world, where you can eventually quit your 9 to 5. This will help you, get out of that 9 to 5 routine, because you can work this, when you have time. It's a flexible work arrangement. You set those hours, and as much effort as you put into your business is what you're actually going to get out of it. But my point here is, if you want to be able to break free from your 9 to 5 and get time freedom back on your side, work from anywhere in the world, do the things that are most important to you, then you need to invest in yourself. Start an online business that you can actually scale through the roof. And if you want to do this, this is what I got started doing literally a year ago. And I've had phenomenal results, you guys. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I've been fumbling around for the past 15 years now, trying all kinds of different crazy businesses. And I'm talking about like MLMs. I've tried real estate, just a ton of different things where I was chasing around friends and family, and I failed so many times. So if you're serious about creating an online business, and now, to be completely honest, is the best time to get started doing this. And I think you can see why it's so important. All these people right now, honestly, losing their jobs right now with what's going on and stuff. If you owned your own business and you had it online right now, this is a phenomenal opportunity, especially to get started doing this right now. There is no better time to do this. So that's all I have for you today, you guys. I will see you on the next video. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, and make sure that you drop me a comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.